Hi everyone, welcome to Click Excel. In this video, I will show you the top 5 Excel shortcuts you must know to work faster and smarter every day. So without further delay, let's start. This is the sample Excel workbook. First shortcut is Ctrl Z, undo. If you made a mistake, just press Ctrl Z to undo instantly. This is the most used shortcut in Excel. You typed the wrong value, you just press the Ctrl Z, it will erase. Or you just pressed the wrong number in the data, just press the Ctrl Z, it will go. Easy, right? Next shortcut is copy and paste. Without using the mouse, you can copy and paste the data instantly. So if you want to copy this cell, just press Ctrl C, and if you want to paste anywhere in the Excel, just go there and press Ctrl V. Data will paste instantly. Third shortcut is inserting the today's date. So go to this cell, you want to insert the date, and press the Ctrl and semicolon. See, this inserts the today's date instantly. There is no need to type manually like date, month and year. It will insert the whole date. Next shortcut is inserting the current time. So with the date, if you want to insert the current time also, don't worry. With Ctrl, press Shift, then semicolon. This inserts the current time according to your computer time format, like 12 hour, 24 hour. It will insert the time. Simple, right? So, and last but not the least one is AutoSum. If you want to add the numbers in a row or column, select the column and press the Alt equal. The AutoSum will be appear at the end of the cells. Without typing any formula, you can add the column total. These are the top 5 Excel shortcuts you must know to save the time every day. Comment below which shortcut you use the most. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.